The upstate of South Carolina is growing in manufacturing and logistics and warehousing faster than the majority of the country, which is incredible for our economy, for the people who live here, those who want jobs. The jobs are available. So to focus on workforce is to focus on the growth of the companies and the stability of the economy here in the upstate, and for each individual household that's working in those manufacturing positions. One of the many challenges that we've run into with the growth and development in this area is the opportunity to train associates and how that training is done. And so the idea of our skill school is born. After the introduction of the forklift qualification course and working with our clients, we realized there was even more opportunity for training, especially on standards and safety to the equipment. Since then, we've introduced an enhancement course that may be 3 to 4 days long, and a fundamentals course, which is focused on the new beginner, or someone that doesn't have as much skill and experience in operations. In 2018 alone, we brought over 2,000 trainees through the skill school. The idea that we could bring in different classes and different skill sets is definitely the idea. Even in the Augusta market, we've taken this concept and focused it to a specific client need for enhancing the skills of building a certain product before going to the client site. Skill School was and is just one way that MAU can be part of the solution to the challenges of workforce development.